Hey guys, if you guys remember, I said I'm getting contact solution. Not getting it. You guys are wondering why? I'm still happy. I'm dead. I just got borax. Oh my god, I'm dead. Then I went to Michael's and I asked for borax and it didn't happen. And my mom, she said, only use your money, said, and Michael's gift card from Christmas. And I said, no, I didn't have any. So then I got this mini thing, tacky glue at Michael's, and I got beads to put in the slime, the little letters, so it's good. And this is the slime I made before just for fun. I'm going to take it out so I can make my new slime. It's probably going to be 20 times better than this. Well, this one's pretty good too. But this one is messy, like the stickiest slime I've ever made. And this one was using, okay, let's compare. Just think. Okay, not just think. Okay, remember this. I'll show it at the end of the video too, but this is what the contact solution one came out as. Not bad, not the worst. Probably one of the best ones I made. Just remember this one. This one. I'm not going to put it on camera, but listen to the poking sounds. This is the contact solution. We're going to hear how much better the other one sounds for. And this is laundry booster, so just think about it, how different it's going to be. And this one has I think you call it borax acid. I'm not pretty sure, but good news. In this method, I will explain to you how it goes. My room's a mess. Okay, let me clean this up a bit. Now you're going to need some hot water, some glue. I'm going to use glitter glue, because the reason being is because I don't want to add food coloring because I already have it on my finger from this morning. So I'm just going to add some of that into the bowl. But food coloring would definitely work with plain or clear glue. I don't have any clear glue. I only have white and glitter. But I only have one bottle of glitter, so I'm trying to keep it low. Now it's time to open our borax. Let me just open this. It's not easy to open. So I'm going to scooch everything I don't need down. Now, let me grab a scooping utensil. Borax. And in the hot water and mix it until it's completely dissolved. I'm not pretty sure how much you need. I'm just knowing that you need enough. And while that's dissolving, you want to take and I made sure mine's a container. Sorry, I just love poking this slime so much. And I'm going to take my shaving cream. You guys might not know how I'm excited for this, but I am. And while that's doing that, take your mixing utensil. You guys are probably going to be like, oh, this is probably going to turn out like the last one. Not even close. And no, I don't think I really need to add anything to this one, like stretchy things, to make it stretchy. I don't know how borax reacts to this, but yeah. So if you're new to this like I am, I'm just going to mix my borax solution. One second. Let me just, okay. Now, I don't know if I put enough borax in or I put too little borax in. I'm just sticking with it. Oh, I guess I did I'm doing it right. Wow. I'm a bit surprised. So you just put a little bit at a time. Then your slime should start to form. Whoa. This is much fluffier, my gosh. And it sticks less than the contact solution. Look at the difference. Oh, well, there goes that piece. Kick it. And just keep adding your solution in until you get a slime. I've watched a ton of the videos on it, even though I never had it, but I did watch videos on it. This is so fluffy. Oh my god, I'm dead. Okay, I'm going to take it off and start playing with it. It's so fluffy. I'm dead. I need to thank my mom so much for this. This is the fluffiest thing. Like, this is like petting a cat that just went to, like, the groomers or something. Now I'm going to keep adding more because I feel like it's more of a toy than a slime. I'm going to add a bit more glue because it's a little bit too foamy. It feels foamy. So I'm just going to make this process go faster. Okay, I'm just going to add this in and mix it because this process isn't getting anywhere. So the glue made it more stickier, which I kind of needed because it's a little too dry. Don't add too much glue, that's all I know. Wipe my hands off. Wipe the extra pieces off. So much easier than the solution. The contact solution, reason being is because it sticks so much less. Like, I just slid that off with the thing and just it's gone. It's so much easier. Okay. Now by the end, you should have your slime. It might be a little wet because of the borax, but in the end, you should have this nice fluffy slime. I'm going to poke it. Ready? It's too wet. Okay. Gotta let this sit for a minute. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to take a little piece. Mix it up. Okay. So cool. I'm going to fix this 1 second. Now that we know that that one worked, we're going to put away the glitter glue. And we're going to take out our white glue. We're going to use this. I feel like this would be much better than the other one. Reason is because the other one has glitter and it's thinner. It's much thicker than this, but then adding the solution, I feel like it just made it really, really thin. So, I'm running low on shaving cream, but I have some in my bathroom. This one did work much better than the last one. This one's more fluffy. Used less of it. It's more fluffy, easier to move around, less rippable. So this one was a good one. And it's fun to poke at, so yeah. I know it's a little bit rippy, but it's much better than the last one. And if you feel like it's not done, just add it into the borax and just mix with it. I'm going to drink over my towel. And by the end, should be a little rippy. And I'm going to put it in here with this one. Then I'm going to take the other one. That wasn't the best. That's a little bit rippy. I'm going to put it in here. And I'm going to mix them together. And yeah, that's how you make slime with this. Hope you guys enjoyed.